Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to learn how RCE, remote code execution, can be executed, how shells can be designed, and how they can be placed. So this video is only for educational purposes, and we are using a controlled environment to test our remote code execution. So how it can happen? So first thing is I have already installed a DVWA. I would highly recommend everybody, if you are testing your ethical hacking skills and you want to develop the web application pen testing skills. So this is one of the great tool, and that tool is called DVWA. You can always download install from GitHub. I have already put two videos on DVWA, how you can install and configure it. If you need another video, another simplest way to do it, there are many way. One of the simplest ways, you can open your terminal and you can type just DVWA minus start. You can just type this command. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to enter it. You just have to enter this. Once you enter this, it will automatically ask you, do you want to install it? You just have to type Y mean yes, to install that. So I've already installed that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my service. I need to run my Apache server. Then I will run my MySQL server, because it does use a database, so we need both of these servers. Once you got it done, there are a bunch of ways you can open it up. One of the ways, you can open your browser and you can type this. Uh, Again, this is only for me. For you, if you use DVWA minus start, it will automatically start. Every time you have to open your terminal and you have to type DVWA, you have to type DVWA minus start if you did that way. So I'm gonna start it and let's see how it looks. So my username, password, by default it is admin, and password is password. So this is, by the way, the application which is running on my local host, again testing in a controlled environment. So I'm gonna there it does offer great different level of security. So for this particular tutorial, we're gonna use a low mean like vulnerable one, which will allow you to do you know execute remote code execution. Everything would be easy to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually test the file upload methodology and how it happens and how we can install a shell. So imagine this is something like an application which allows the users to upload pictures, upload, for example, this is specifically for the pictures, by the way. So since I made it low means it's not going to test any what type of file user are uploading. Right, they will straight away upload the files in their server. So if they don't validate the user input, or if any application which does not validate the user input before they upload, then the application is vulnerable. How it's going to happen? What I'm going to do is I will go to my desktop, and on my desktop I will create a script. You can name your script any, it's up to you, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to name it, for example, touch is to create, let's say, shell.php. Now I have created, you guys can see it is on my back. Then I will type nano shell.php, and here I'm gonna write down. Nano is the text editor. So it's a very simple script, a PHP script. So echo system, and then what I'm gonna do is I will use the get method and access the command prompt, access the command terminal of that particular user. So what's gonna happen if it got installed on their PC? Then what will happen? I will be able to access the script like a backdoor. If I got it uploaded, it will allow me and run the command prompt. So command X to save it, type Y, enter. Now script has been ready, and if I go down there, make sure the security level is low, file upload, browse, and you need to go to your desktop, double click it, and upload. You guys saw that they did not validate our input and they straight away uploaded the shell script. Now this is basically where the shell script has been uploaded. I will copy this and I'm going to actually access my script. And I'm going to paste it where the script is. All right. You guys can see that it basically run, and you see there is an internal server error. It means file is there, everything is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a question mark here, and then I'm going to put cmd command this is my command terminal. ls, you know what ls command is in the Linux. If you don't know, I can put the video of the link of my video. Now you guys see here, it's going to show, I mean, you can run any command. Let's say if I type here pwd, you guys can see the directory, print working directory. So I have a direct access, direct connection with that computer. If I type ls space -l, it's going to show me all the their listing and all that stuff. So thank you very much, everyone.